Hello everyone, welcome to Resonating Art. My name is Amy. Today I'm going to make a 3D bloom with the lace effect on the back. I am using Nick Pro resin. It's a 1:1 medium viscosity resin. I am using Casting Craft for my white pigment. Let's see. I'm using Deco Rom colors. I think I used a turquoise and an avocado in the middle, I'm pretty sure. I do know I had to go ahead and delete the first part of this video because there was a smudge on my camera lens and I didn't even notice till after I'd already piped in my white and got started. So anyway, that's why I'm doing this voiceover. My resin was 92 degrees when I went ahead and decanted and got the white out. Then I poured it into my molds, put my colors in, and then started stirring up my white and got it in the piping bag. I'm just doing small blooms in the middle of each mold. And then when they're done and they're nice and cured, I will come along with the second coat. I'll be using Art Pro resin, and I will also be using High Tide Piggy Paste. Yeah. I am going to make 2 mixtures of the High Tide Piggy Paste. One's going to be, we're going to see how we can get them. Let's mix that up a little bit. Hold on, I'm not going to use this stick, but I wanted to mix that up a little bit. I mean, I literally could probably use that, but I'm not going to. Okay, let's get our resin in. It was 92 degrees. Oh my God, no. No, I gotta put the white first. Ah! Okay. Is that too much white? I don't know. I'm gonna try it on that one so I can hurry up and get it in there. Goodness gracious. That's plummy goofy in me. Hopefully that clear don't make it to the edge. Ah. Goodness gracious. Oh, that's the goofy stuff I do. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's goofy. It's hard to measure anything out in 10 and feel like you even remotely have enough. That's probably plenty. That's plenty. Oh, goodness. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's get this other one mixed up real quick. You know, I do dumb stuff continuously. Like I'm making this video right now, but earlier I'd uploaded one and I was gonna wait and save it for tomorrow. Did I notice it wasn't on private and it said publish now? No, I didn't notice that until I wanted to change the date to an even later date. Then I realized, oh my God, it's already public. Oh no, that's not what I wanted to do. But that's what happened. So, I mean, never-ending goofy stuff happens. Oh, and then to top that off, I don't have my hair in a ball cap, so, I mean, anything could happen. I hope I don't get my hair in any of this. And just by eyeballing it, when I got the amount of white, you know, I'm kind of just testing to see if I can get close to the same, you know, anytime I do it. So that's the reason for the 2 separate cups. All right, now, am I clear? Okay, now the colors I was using was the turquoise, wasn't it? Of course, where did I put my color at? Oh my goodness. Was it the clover? I think it was the clover and the turquoise. Yeah, I think so. Well, I mean, I'm gonna find out, aren't I? If that's not it, then, oops. All I know is my mold is full. Very full. Okay, that's all I'm doing. Oh, goodness gracious. All right, I'm gonna let these sit and cure up and do their thing, and then overnight, and then I'll reveal in the morning. I hope you have an extraordinary day, and thanks for watching. Nice. Well, looks good from the backside. You know, it's not. Oh, this one looks a little better. Pulled down more. You can see the little lines. Okay, let's check them out. Cool. Of course, my bloom isn't right in the middle. And there are more drops. So I used more of that piggy paste. That bloom is not in the middle at all. Whoops. I mean, it still looks really cool. Okay. That looks good. That's very nice. Sweet. I love it. Cool, man. Alright, I'm going to get this video posted, and I will tell you, I'm going to try to use that High Tide Piggy Paste in some of my resins that I do have that I'm able to get off Amazon. And that will probably be my next video. So, yeah. Anyway, pretty freaking cool. I love the way it looks, and I'm very excited. I hope you guys have an amazing day. See ya.